Click on the link below to get price. The Dual Fuel Inverter Generator 4300W is a versatile powerhouse designed for both home use and outdoor adventures. Its ability to run on either gasoline or propane makes it an excellent choice for those who prioritize flexibility and efficiency. With a maximum output of 4,300 watts, this generator is capable of powering multiple devices simultaneously, including refrigerators, lights, and tools, making it an ideal companion for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency backup at home. One of the standout features of this generator is its inverter technology, which provides clean, stable power ideal for sensitive electronics such as laptops and smartphones. The noise level is commendably low, operating at around 58 decibels, which allows for a peaceful environment whether you're camping in the woods or hosting a backyard gathering. The addition of a wheel kit enhances its portability, making it easy to transport from one location to another, even over rough terrain. Setting up the generator is relatively straightforward, thanks to the three-way starting system that includes remote control, electric start, and traditional recoil start. The remote start feature is particularly useful for those who want to minimize physical effort, especially in inclement weather. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring multiple outlets, including USB ports, ensuring you can connect a variety of devices without hassle. Fuel efficiency is another impressive aspect, with the generator running for up to 12 hours on a single tank of gasoline at a quarter load. This longevity is crucial for extended power outages or events. Additionally, the generator is built with safety features, including low oil shutdown, which protects the engine from damage. Overall, the Dual Fuel Inverter Generator 4300W stands out for its robust performance, portability, and quiet operation. Whether you're using it for leisure or as a reliable backup power source, it offers excellent value for money and peace of mind in unpredictable situations.